We'll guide you through how to make money with Printify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. If you haven't already, create an account by clicking on the sign up button at the top right corner. Once you're logged in, you can start by exploring the product catalog. Choose products that interest you or that you believe will be popular with your target audience. Next, you'll need to design your products. You can either upload your own designs or use the built-in design tools that Printify offers. Make sure your designs are unique and high quality to attract more customers. After you've created your designs, select a print provider. Printify has a network of suppliers, and you can choose one based on factors like price, location, and product variety. This is crucial because the print provider will handle the printing and shipping of your products. Once you've set up your products, it's time to connect your Printify account to an online store platform like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. This will allow you to sell your products directly to customers. Go to the integration section on Printify and follow the steps to connect your chosen platform. Make sure to set your pricing strategy carefully. Consider all costs, including production, shipping, and platform fees, and set a competitive price that also gives you a good profit margin. Finally, promote your products. Use social media, email marketing, or even paid ads to reach your audience. The more you promote, the more potential customers you'll reach. Regularly check your analytics to see which products are selling well and adjust your strategy accordingly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.